Hello. Now, in the chapter Units and Measurement, a small discussion on accuracy and precision of instrument. Here see in the diagram, there are three bullseye, arrow hit here, here and here. See, in the first one, its accuracy is low, but precision is high. See, the three arrow hit the very close. Here, accuracy is high because more close to the bullseye, but precision is low. And here, high accuracy with high precision. And this one is the reality. So let us have a small discussion on this. First, error. The result of every measurement by any measuring instrument contains some uncertainty. This uncertainty is known as error. Error is the difference of the true value and the measured value. Now, what is accuracy? The accuracy of a measurement is a measure of how close the measured value to the true value of the quantity. We will see by certain examples. Precision tells us to what resolution or limit the quantity is measured. The accuracy in measurement may depend on several factors, including the limit or the resolution of the measuring instrument. Both accuracy and precision reflect how close a measurement is to an actual value, but accuracy reflects how close a measurement is to a known or accepted value, while precision reflects how reproducible measurements are, even if they are far from the accepted value. Now, we will take certain examples. First, in example 1, say, suppose the true value of a certain length is near 3.678 centimeter. In one experiment using a measuring instrument of resolution 0.1 centimeter, the measured value is found to be 3.5 centimeter. While in another experiment using a measuring device of greater resolution, say 0.01 centimeter, the length is determined to be 3.38 centimeter. Now see the first experiment. The first measurement has more accuracy. Why? Because it is closer to the true value. True value is 3.678. While the measured value is 3.5 centimeter. So it is more close to the true value. True value is known as by taking the average of several measurements, several observations, but less precision because its resolution is 0.1 centimeter, while the second measurement is less accurate but more precise. Hope by this example it is now the clear one. Another example, suppose we take measurements of mass of 50 gram standard sample and get the values 45, 7.5, 47.6, 47.5 and 47.7 gram. Your scale is precise but not very accurate. If our scale gives values of 49.8, 50.5, 51.0 and 49.6, it is more accurate than the first balance because not as precise. The more precise scale would be better to use in the lab. So for the practical purpose, we should use the more precise scale so that the vernier calipers is more precise than ordinary scale. A screw gauge spherometer is more precise than the vernier calipers, providing we made an adjustment for its error. Now, 4 questions here. You can try at your level. Thank you for this one.